Hello and welcome to the Agri Toppers Academy YouTube channel. Starting today, we will be covering 10 pages daily from latest 12th edition Nimrod Sunda book. Additionally, you will have the opportunity to participate in a high quality quiz based on the same 10 pages. To join the quiz, click on the link provided in the description to join our General Agriculture Telegram group. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated and never miss a video. So now let's start our lecture. So the first topic is evolution and history. In evolution and history, we will learn about origin of agriculture and related terms. So let's start. The first term is agriculture. Agriculture is a Latin word which is derived from two words ager and cultura, where ager means soil and cultura means cultivation. The cultivation of soil is called as agriculture. The second term is agronomy. Agronomy is a Greek word which is derived from agros and nomos, where agros means field and nomos means to manage. The management of field is called as agronomy. The third term is horticulture. Horticulture is a Latin word which is derived from hortus and cultura, where hortus means garden and cultura means culture or growing. The next term is pomology. Pomology is a Latin Greek word which is derived from pomum and logos, where pomum is a Latin word which means fruit and logos is a Greek word which means discourse. The cultivation of fruit crops is called as pomology. The next term is olericulture. Olericulture is a Latin word which is derived from olaris and culture, where olaris means vegetables or pot herbs and culture means cultivation. The cultivation of vegetables or pot herbs is called as olericulture. The next term is floriculture. Floriculture is a Latin word which is derived from florus and cultura, where florus means ornamental plants and flowers. The cultivation of flowering plants and ornamental plants are called as floriculture. The next term is extension. Extension is a Latin word which is derived from ex and tensio, where ex means out and tensio means stretching. So the extension means stretching out. The next term is soil. Soil is derived from Latin word solum, which means ground or floor of earth crust. The next term is monsoon. Monsoon is an Arabic word which is derived from mosim, which means changes of season. Next term is biodynamics. Biodynamics is a Greek word which is derived from two words bios and dynamics, where bios means life and dynamic means energy. The energy related to the life is called as biodynamics. The next term is truck gardening. Truck gardening is a French word truc which is derived from torquer, which means to barter or to exchange of goods. The next term is nematode. Nematode is a Greek word which is derived from nema and toid, where nema means thread and toid means form. A thread-like organism is called as nematodes. The next term is pedology. Pedology is a Greek word which is derived from padon. Padon means soil or earth. The next term is edaphology. Edaphology is a Greek word which is derived from edaphos, which means influence soil for plant growth, and logos means study. So the study of soil in relation to the plant growth is called as edaphology. The next term is market. Market is a Latin word which is derived from word marketus, which means place of trade. A market is a place of trade or a traffic or a merchandise. The next term is evolution. Evolution is a Latin word which is derived from word evolution, which means unrolling or rolling out. The next term is enzyme. Enzyme is derived from Greek word. It is derived from two words in and zyme, where in means in and zyme means ferment living. So the enzymes are biocatalysts. Next term is credit. Credit is a Latin word which is derived from credo, which means I trust you. The next term is legume. Legume is a Latin word which is derived from legumen, which means bean. Next term is pulses. Pulses is a Latin word which is derived from pulsus, which means protein-rich edible grains. Next term is cereals. Cereals is a Roman word which is derived from Ceres, which means goddess of grain or agriculture. The next term is sugarcane. Sugarcane is a Sanskrit word which is derived from sarkara or sakara, which means sugar. The next term is cotton. Cotton again is a Sanskrit word which is derived from karpasa, means cotton tree. Next term is Greek word which is derived from arechi, which means groundnut. Next terminologies are Rabi, Kharif and Zaid. These words are derived from Arabic words. Next term is society. Society is a Latin word which is derived from societas, which means friendly or comrade. The next term is vulgarization. Vulgarization is a French word which is derived from vulgarize, which means popularize. The next word is cell. Cell is a Latin word which is derived from word cella, which means a small group acting as a unit within a large organization. The next terms are in vivo and in vitro. In vivo is a Latin word which means within the living, and in vitro means within the glass. The next terminology is plastid. Plastid is a Greek word which is derived from plasticus, which means formed or molded. The next term is ecology. Ecology is a Greek word which is derived from oikos, which means house dwelling place, and logos means study. The next terminology is entomology. Entomology is derived from a Greek word entomonon, which means insects, and they can be cut into sections, and where logos means discourse. The next term is arthropoda. Arthropoda is derived from a Greek word arithros. Arithros means segmented and podos means leg. Next term is phytopathology. Phytopathology is a Greek word which is derived from three words phyton, pathos and logos, where phyton means plant, pathos means ailments and logos means knowledge. The next term is fungicide. Fungicide is a Latin word which is derived from fungus, which means fungi, and cido means to kill. The next term is meteorology. Meteorology is derived from Greek word meteoros, which means about the earth's surface or atmosphere, and logos means science or study. The study of atmosphere is called as meteorology. The next term is sociology. Sociology is derived from Latin Greek word, where socius is a Latin word and logos is a Greek word. Socius means companion and logos means speech. The next term is economics. Economics is a Greek word which is derived from oikos, which means household, and nomos means management. The next term is psychology. Psychology is a Greek word which is derived from psych, means soul, and logos means study. The study of soul is called as psychology. The next term is communication. Communication is a Latin word which is derived from communis, which means common. And the last word is entrepreneur. Entrepreneur is a French word which is derived from entrepreneur. So, these all are the terminologies which are used in agriculture. Next, we will learn about historical movement of agriculture. First, we will see important events in ancient history of agriculture. 70 million before, earliest primates, prosiemens, developed in trees. 40 million before, evolution of monkey and apis occurred. In 1.5 million before, first two men called Homo erectus emerged in Indonesia and Africa. 1 million before, Homo erectus migrated toward Old World tropics, and in 0.8 million before, Homo erectus populated temperate regions. In 0.5 million before, Homo erectus pekinensis learnt use and control of fire. 0.4 million before, man-made shelters out of tree branches were made. 32,000 BC, Cro-Magnon man Homo sapiens emerged in Europe. In 10,000 BC, first pet animals of human was dog for hunting in Iran and Israel. In 8700 BC, domestication of sheep started. In 7700 BC, domestication of goat first started. In 7500 BC, cultivation of crops like wheat and barley first started, and in 6000 BC, domestication of cattle and pigs started. In 4400 BC, cultivation of maize crop. In 4000 BC, cultivation of rice crop, and in 3500 BC, cultivation of potato crop was first started. In 3400 BC, wheel was first invented. In 3000 BC, bronze was used to make tools. In 2900 BC, plough was invented. Also, irrigated farming was started. 2700 BC, domestication of silk motif in China started. In 2300 BC, cultivation of chickpea, pear, sarso and cotton was first started. In 2200 BC, domestication of fowl, buffalo and elephant occurred. In 1800 BC, cultivation of finger millet, ragi. In 1725 BC, cultivation of sorghum. In 1500 BC, cultivation of sugar cane and irrigation through wells was started. In 1400 BC, use of iron in Middle East occurred. In 1000 to 600 BC, age of iron plowshare and axe invented, and crop cultivation in major areas like Punjab, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar was started. In 543 to 491 BC, reference to farming operation in Kuluvaga and Mahavaga and Buddhist literature in Pali. In 760 to 880, Persian wheel used. In 900 to 1000 AD, construction of ancient tanks occurred, and Krishi Prashara and Vriksha Ayurveda manuals on agriculture and botany written. A textbook on agriculture was prepared by Kashyap by the name Krishi Sukti. 15th century AD, cultivation of sweet orange, sour orange, wild brinjal, pomegranate started. In 16th century, introduction of several crops in India by Portuguese such as potato, sweet potato, arrowroot, cassava, tomato, chilies, pumpkin, papaya, pineapple, guava, custard apple, groundnut, cashew nut, tobacco, American cotton and rubber. These crops were introduced by Portuguese in India. In 1550 AD, Portuguese introduced grafting technique in horticulture. In 1795 AD, Flora India published. In 1820 AD, G.L. Blame constructed Western Jamuna Canal. In 1824 AD, Journal of Agriculture and Horticulture were published. In 1845 AD, occurrence of Irish famine due to late blight of potato occurred. In 1865 AD, famine in Bengal and Orissa occurred, which causes death of 15 lakh people. In 1868 to 69 AD, occurrence of severe famine occurred. The next topic is historical events of modern agriculture. The first event is in 1871, Joint Department of Revenue, Agriculture and Commerce (DARC) was established. In 1874, occurrence of severe famine in Bihar first noticed. In 1875, India Meteorological Department IMD was established with its headquarters at Calcutta. The headquarters was shifted to Shimla in 1905, to Pune in 1928 and later to Delhi in 1944. In 1876 and Bombay Presendis. In 1877 famine in Punjab, Central Province causes which leads to death of 10 lakh people. In 1880 famine commission was appointed. In 1882 veterinary college established at Lahore. In 1891 Dr. J.A. Walker's report on improvement of Indian agriculture. In 1899 to 1900 severe famine occurred. In 1906 established Forest Research Institute FRI at Dehradun. In 1901 to 1905 agricultural college were established at Pune, Kanpur, Sabod, Nagpur and Coimbatore. In 1901 first irrigation commission appointed. In 1901 again first entomologist was appointed. In 1903 model village scheme was launched by Daniel. In 1903 again H.M. Lofree appointed as second entomologist. In 1905 established the Imperial Agriculture Research Institute IRI at Pusa, Bihar. But after severe earthquake and flood in 1934 it was shifted to New Delhi in 1936. In 1919 constitutional reforms made agriculture as a state subject. In 1920 Gorgaon project started by F.L. Braine. In 1921 Sriniketan project started by R.N. Tagore. In 1921 Marathon Dam project started by Spencer Hatch. In 1921 Sevagram project started by Mahatma Gandhi. In 1921 constituted Indian Central Cotton Committee ICCC. In 1926 appointed of Royal Commission on Agriculture RCA headed by Lord. In 1928 RCA submitted its report. In 1925 establishment of Imperial Council of Agricultural Research ICAR New Delhi. In 1931 Indian Central Leg Committee established. In 1936 Indian Central Jute Committee established. In 1940 monthly magazine Indian Farming was started by Imperial Council of Agricultural Research in New Delhi. In 1942 Department of Food was created. In 1942 again Grow More Food campaign. In 1943 occurred Great Bengal Famine which is caused by Helminthosporium oryzae. In 1944 Indian Central Sugar Committee established. In 1945 Indian Central Coconut Committee started. In 1945 again Indian Central Tobacco Committee established. In 1945 Indian Village Service established by A.T. Mosher, New York and B.N. Gupta. In 1946 Directorate of Plant Protection, Quarantine and Storage DPPQS started in Faridabad, Haryana. In 1946 Central Rice Research Institute CRRI established in Cuttack, Orissa. In 1946 Firqa Development of Madras State started by T. Prakashan and D. Tharugad. In 1947 Indian Central Oil Seeds Committee established. In Jan 1948 GATT General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade was established. In 1948 Etawah Pilot Project started by Albert Mayer. In 1949 Arakanut Committee was established. In 2 October 1952 Committee Development Program CDP was established. In 2 October 1953 started National Extension Service (NES). In 1956, project for intensification of regional research on cotton, oilseeds and millets occurred. In 1957, All India Coordinated Maize Improvement Project started. In 1958, status of deemed university accorded to IRI under UGC Act 1956. In 1958, Spices and Cashew Nut Committee established. In October 1958, NAFED, National Agriculture Cooperative Marketing Federation was established. In 2nd October 1959, Panchayati Raj third tier system on the recommendation of Balwant Roy Mehta inaugurated by J.L. Nehru on 2nd October 1959 in Nagaur district of Rajasthan. 1960, First Agriculture University in India, G.B. Pant University of Agriculture and Technology at Pantnagar, established on the pattern of land grant system of USA. In 1960-61, Intensive Agriculture District Program (IADP), it is also known as Package Program. In 1963, National Seed Corporation NSC was started. In 1964, Intensive Cattle Development Program (ICDP) established. In 1965, National Demonstration Program (NDP) was established. In 1965, Nilokheri project started by Shri S.K. Dey. In 1965, first DG or the Vice President of ICAR, Dr. B.P. Pal elected. In 1965, ACRIPs were started on other crops as well as in other areas of research. In 1966, initiated High Yielding Varieties Program. In 1966, Directorate of Extension established. In 1966-67, regarded as Green Revolution year. In 1967-68, Farmers Training and Education System FTEC was established. In 1969, Second Irrigation Commission established. In 1970, National Commission on Agriculture started. In 1971, Mini Kit Program MKP was started. In 1971, All India Coordinated Research Project for Dry Land Agriculture started. In 1971, Small Farmers Development Agency AFDA started. In 1971, Marginal Farmers and Agriculture Labour Project MFAL established. In 1973, creation of Department of Agricultural Research and Education DARE in the Ministry of Agriculture started. In 1973, Agricultural Research Service ARS started. In 1st November 1973, establishment of Agricultural Scientist Recruitment Board ASRB based on recommendation of G. Gadkar report. In 1973, Project Tiger started. In 1973 again, Minikit trial program started. In 1973 to 1974, Drought Prone Area Program DPAP started. In 1974, Training and Visit System T&V formulated by Daniel and Buster of Israel first started in Canal area of Rajasthan and Chambal area in Madhya Pradesh. In 1974, Command Area Development Authority CADA started. In 1974, Minimum Needs Program MNP was started. In 1974, Krishi Vigyan Kendra KVK Mohan Singh Mehta Committee recommended. In 1975, started 20 Points Program. In 1976, National Rural Employment Program MREP was started. In 1976, Antyodaya Yojana started. In 1976, National Academy of Agricultural Research and Management NAARM started in Hyderabad. In 1976, Ashok Mehta Committee proposed two tiers Panchayat Raj system. In 1977 to 78, Desert Development Program DPP started. In April 1978, Integrated Rural Development Program IRDP launched in financial year 1978 and extended throughout India by 1980. It is known as Poverty Eradication Program. In 1979, Training for Rural Youth for Self-Employment TRISEM started. In Jan 1979, National Agricultural Research Project NARP started. In 1st June 1975, Lab to Land Program LLB started on the occasion of Golden Jubilee Year of ICR. In 1980, National Rural Employment Program NREP started. In 1982, Council of Advancement of People, Action and Rural Technology CAPART started. In 12th July 1982, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development NABARD established. In 1983, National Agriculture Extension Program NAEP was established. In 1983, Rural Landless Employment Guarantee Program RLEGP was started. In 1985, Crop Insurance Scheme CIS, now National Agricultural Insurance Scheme NAIS, was established. In 1985, Indian Indira Awas Yojana IAY launched. In 1986, Technology Mission on Oilseeds TMO was started. In 1986, National Watershed Development Program for Rainfed Areas started. In 1986, National Agricultural Research Project Phase 2 started. In 1989, Integrated Watershed Development Project started. In 1994, Mahila Samruddhi Yojana started. In 1995, ICR's Institutional Village Linkage Program IVLP started. In 1996, establishment of National Gene Bank at New Delhi occurred. In 1998, ICR's National Agricultural Technology Project NATP funded by World Bank. In 1998, Kisan Credit Card Scheme started. In 1999, Jawahar Gram Samriddhi Yojana JGSY started. In 1999, Swarna Jayanti Gram Swarojgar Yojana, it is renamed as National Rural Livelihood Mission NRLM, started. In 1999, National Agricultural Insurance Scheme NAIS was started. In December 2000, Antyodaya Anna Yojana AAY started. In December 2000, Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana PGSY started. In April 2004, Integrated Scheme of Oilseeds, Pulses, Oil Palm and Maize ISOPOM being implemented from 2004. Later, ISOPOM merged into new scheme National Mission on Oilseeds and Oil Palm NMOOP. In 2004, National Food for Work Program NFWP started. In 2004, inauguration of National Agricultural Science Complex NASC at New Delhi started. In 2004, Marine Fish Policy started. In 2004, National Commission on Farmers constituted on November 18, 2004 under the chairmanship of Professor M.S. Swaminathan. In May 2005, started National Horticulture Mission NHM. In 2005 to 6, Bharat Nirman is an Indian business plan for creating and augmenting basic rural infrastructure including irrigation projects on irrigation roads, housing, water supply, electricity supply. In 2006 and 7, National Bamboo Mission started. In 2006, ICR launched National Agricultural Innovation Project NAIP with financial support of World Bank. In 2006, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme MGNREGA started. In 2006, National Rainfed Area Authority NRAA on 2006 started. In August 2007, National Food Security Mission NFSM started. In August 2007, Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana RKVY started. In April 2014, NHM merged into a new program mission for integrated development of horticulture MIDH. The next topic is Indian Council of Agricultural Research ICAR. In 1926, establishment of Royal Commission on Agriculture headed by Lord Linlithgow and recommended setting up Imperial Council of Agricultural Research to promote, guide and coordinate agricultural research throughout the India. In 1928, Royal Commission on Agriculture submitted its report. In 16 July 1929, ICR was set up on 16 July 1929 as registered society under the Societies Registration Act 1860 on the recommendation of Royal Commission of Agriculture RCA. In March 1946, under the presidency of Jogendar Singh, it was decided to change the Imperial into Indian, and now it is called as Indian Council of Agricultural Research ICAR. In 1965, first DG of ICR was Dr. B.P. Pal. He initiated All India Coordinated Research Project AICRPs. In 1966, ICR was made a fully autonomous organization on the recommendation of Agricultural Review Team. In June 1972, Gajendra Gadkar Committee was constituted to review the recruitment and personnel policies of ICR, and its institute submitted its report in 1973. In 1973, Department of Agricultural Research and Education DARE were created in Ministry of Food and Agriculture. In 1973, the Agricultural Society Recruitment Board was established on 1st November 1973 as a recommendation of the Gajendra Gadkar Committee. In 1973, the Agricultural Research Service ARS was started. Some more information is given here, like President of ICR is Union Minister of Agriculture. DG of ICR is also known as Secretary of DARE, Department of Agricultural Research and Education, which established in 1973. First President of ICR Khan Bahadur Sir Muhammad Habibullah. The last topic is Indian Agricultural Research Institute IRI. In 1905, Agricultural Research Institute was established at Pusa, Bihar under the Viceroyalty of Lord Curzon. Earlier, it was in West Bengal. Help of sum of rupees 9 lakh was donated by an American citizen, Henry Phipps, hence the main building known as Phipps Laboratory or Nolakha. In 1911, renamed as Imperial Agricultural Research Institute. In 1923, Institute started offering Diploma of Associateship. In 1934, major earthquake and flood damaged the building at Pusa, Bihar. In 1936, IRI shifted to Pusa Road, New Delhi. In 1936, B. Vishwanath, first Indian Director of IRI, was appointed. In 1947, name has been changed from Imperial Agricultural Research Institute to Indian Agricultural Research Institute, and in 1958 recognized as deemed university under the UGC Act 1956, PG school was established. This is all about evolution and history of agriculture. Tomorrow we will discuss about agronomy. For more practicing, join our quiz which is based on same 10 pages. And to join the quiz, click on the link provided in the description to join our General Agriculture Telegram group. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated and never miss a video.